ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर अश्मिता. अश्मिता आप बताइए इसका आंसर क्या होगा. अश्मिता, अश्मिता.
Yes, sir. So silver nitrate is kept in color reagent bottles in laboratory because we know that when silver nitrate is kept in the presence of sunlight, then it decomposes itself and breaks into simpler substances. Therefore, to prevent this, it is kept in colored reagent bottles, especially in brown colored bottles, to prevent the entry of sunlight.
Okay, so what are these simpler substances that it is getting broken into?
Silver nitrate, first silver oxide.
Silver oxide.
Sir, Ag
Sir,
plus
Ag
Ag
plus
plus NO2 plus
NO2Ag
O2.
plus NO2 plus O2.
yes,
Yeah.
sir, yes.
Okay.
Sir, this is the special property of Ag and Hg.
Fine. Okay, अश्मिता, तो you note this down. ठीक है, ये क्या simpler substances हो रहे हैं, this you should remember. Yeah.
Sir, I don't have the copy with me right now. That's why I was not able to say.
Oh, why you are not? You uploaded in the group, na?
Yes, sir.
So you can download it and just see.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question is for Adrika. Adrika, आप बताइए इसका. Give an example of an endothermic reaction.
Yes, so for the second one, it will be N2 plus O2 on heating, it will become 2N2. This is an endothermic reaction.
Good. State in each of the following represent the oxidation or reduction. हाँ, तो
So I will tell.
no, I'll ask. Okay. Pawan, आप बताइए Fe plus 2 to Fe plus 3, it is oxidation or reduction?
Sir, oxidation.
Oxidation. Cl minus to Cl is oxidation or reduction?
Sir, मैं ही बताऊँ sir.
हाँ, आप ही बताइए.
Sir, it is reduction.
How it is reduction?
Sir, because it is gaining one electron.
It is not gaining, na? It is losing an electron. Cl
Sir,
minus.
Cl minus.
हाँ.
Oh, sorry, sir. I just saw the reverse one. It is losing one electron. I thought Cl to Cl minus.
Cl minus to Cl is
Oxidation. Cl to Cl minus is reduction.
Then next, Narith, you have to tell. आप बताइए Cu plus 2 to Su.
The next one is
Next one is.
So can I answer?
No, he should answer. बताइए Narith.
He answered.
He is answered.
He has answered. कहाँ पे answer किया
So
उसने?
he answered in the chat box.
Oh, don't reply in chat box. मेरे को खोल के दिक्कत होता है देखने में. ठीक है? Just speak ना. चलो ठीक है. This is reduction. ठीक है? Okay, next one is for Ronak. Ronak, आप बताइए. Ag to Ag plus is what? अरे ये भी चैट में रिप्लाई कर रहा है. Narith ने रिप्लाई किया ऑक्सीडेशन. Okay, this question was not for you, Narith. Okay, ये next श्रीजिता आप बताइए H2H plus is oxidation or reduction?
Sir, it's oxidation.
Oxidation. ठीक है. Al to Al plus 3. अंजलि आप बताइए this is oxidation or reduction? Hello, Anjali, can you hear me?
Sir, can I take
Okay, Swapna, with you tell.
So can I?
oxidation?
Oxidation. तो जब भी चार्ज हमारा इंक्रीज कर रहा हो दैट इज ऑक्सीडेशन. ठीक है, जैसे +2 से +3 जा रहा हो, -1 से 0 जा रहा हो, -2 से -1 जा रहा हो, तो हर केस में क्या हो रहा है हम लोग देख रहे हैं चार्ज इंक्रीज कर रहा है. तो दैट इज द केस ऑफ ऑक्सीडेशन. और जब भी चार्ज रिड्यूस हो तो क्या होता है? रिडक्शन. एवरीवन इज क्लियर ऑन दिस?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I am clearing the screen. Next, reaction is classified as direct combination, decomposition, simple displacement, double displacement, and redox reaction. Okay. So okay. तो श्रीजिता आप बताइए फर्स्ट वन इज which category?
So it's displacement reaction.
Is displacement reaction. Is it redox also? Srijita?
So so how it can be redox? So can you just clear that where you have made the box so that I can see?
This is Cl2 plus Ki giving you 2 KCl plus I2. Okay.
Yes, sir. It can be redox.
Yes, sir, it's a redox reaction also.
Okay. How it is redox? Srijita will tell.
So there may be changes in the that ions maybe displacements changes in ions something.
Change
So
in ions is not redox. No.
so
Redox.
there's
Tell.
so I'm not sure about the answer. Maybe I don't know. I'm not sure.
Why you are
But I
not
have
sure?
wrote it displacement only.
Displacement तो ठीक है. This is displacement चलेगा. Displacement or in other words you can say double displacement also. But
Yes, sir.
redox reaction, is it redox or not? This I am asking you.
Sir,
Narith, you don't reply in the chat box. You reply only when you are asked. Okay. Okay, Srijita, you tell me what is the charge on chlorine in Cl2? Hello, Srijita.
Yes, sir.
What is the charge on chlorine in Cl2?
So 0.
0. What is the charge on chlorine in KCl?
So it's so just a minute.
can I say?
Sir, can I say?
No, Srijita will tell. Okay, Srijita, what is this compound?
So potassium chloride.
Potassium chloride. So chloride means chlorine will have what charge?
So 3.
How you are telling 3?
So I forgot its charge.
How you can forget this? This is something very basic. Potassium will always have +1. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Or the anions, whenever they are in all the halide ions. Okay? Chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, all of these are halogens, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
So whenever they are in their halide form, their charge will be -1.
-1. Okay.
At least you could have guessed because K plus always has +1, so Cl minus will have -1. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, Srijita, you tell me what is the charge of iodine on this one? Ki.
Sir, can I tell?
So it's a compound, so I think it's 0.
Can I say?
I'm asking
Only
you.
of iodine.
Oh, 1 second. I'm asking on iodine, Srijita.
So it's so -1.
-1. Okay. What is the charge on iodine I2?
So it's 0.
0. Okay. So iodine is going from -1 to 0. Is it oxidation?
So why 0?
Because it's not an ion.
Yeah, it's a compound.
Srijita, you tell me, it is iodine is going from -1 to 0. It is oxidation or reduction?
So it's a reduction. No.
Can I tell?
Srijita, you have to revise the notes again.
Yes, sir. I always get confused with oxidation and reaction. So
This is something very basic. I just told if the charge is increasing, that is oxidation. Okay? Charge is going from -1 to 0. It is
this is
increasing.
oxidation.
It is
Yeah.
oxidation.
Sir, oxidation increases the charge, reduction
So
reduces the
both
charge.
oxidation and reduction are taking place, so it's a redox reaction.
every time there can be no reaction in which there is just oxidation or just reduction.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Who is having a doubt?
Sir, here.
हाँ बताइए क्या problem?
Sir, if both oxidation and reduction takes place, then that equation is reduction.
No, that is not reduction. That is redox. ठीक है? And reduction and oxidation happen simultaneously. If some substance is getting reduced, simultaneously you have to find out some other substance that is getting oxidized, because electrons cannot be just jumping in the system from outside. ठीक है? अगर किसी चीज का ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है तो पक्का किसी ना किसी चीज का रिडक्शन भी उस रिएक्शन में हो रहा होगा. ठीक है? So there cannot be any category of just reduction or just oxidation. This point is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बस 2 लोगों ने बोला, बाकी को समझ में नहीं आया?
Yes,
Understood.
Okay. ठीक है. So this is a redox reaction also. ठीक है? Okay. So next question is for Swapnavit. Swapnavit, आप बताइए Mg plus O2. What is this
A
reaction?
direct combination reaction.
Direct combination. Is it redox also?
For एक second.
बोलिए स्वप्नविद,
एक सेकंड में कैलकुलेट कर
जल्दी.
सर मैग्नीशियम का इधर जो कंपाउंड है MgO, हाउ विल वी फाइंड द चार्ज ऑफ मैग्नीशियम सर, वो एक बार बताइए.
Okay, so Narit, आप बताइए, is it oxidation? Is it redox or not? Hello, Narit. Narit is replying in the chat box. No, sir, it is not. Why it is not redox?
Sir, it is a reduction reaction.
It is a reduction reaction. Just now I told na, if there is reduction, there must be some oxidation also.
Yes, sir. Every reaction has oxidation and reduction. So it's a reaction.
तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? किससे पूछा था हमने ये? स्वप्नविद. Hello, स्वप्नविद, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
तो मैग्नीशियम का क्या होगा? मैग्नीशियम will have a zero charge in this compound. ठीक है? इस कंपाउंड में मैग्नीशियम का क्या हो रहा है? मैग्नीशियम will have +2.
हाँ सर, +2.
समझ में आया? क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन का हमेशा -2 होगा.
-2 होगा.
ओवरऑल 0 होना है तो मैग्नीशियम का क्या होगा? +2.
+2.
In fact, you can remember this point. ठीक है? Magnesium is alkali metal or alkaline earth metal?
Alkaline earth metal.
ठीक है? तो all the alkaline earth metals, ठीक है, whenever they are in compound form, always they have charge equal to +2. Okay? Similarly, all the alkali metals, okay, if they are in their compound form, they will have charge of +1. Okay? So here we have a alkaline earth metal, that is magnesium. So magnesium is having +2. So 0 to +2, is it oxidation or reduction, Swapnavit?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, here.
Sir, why in the left side the charge of Mg is 0?
देखो हमने क्या बताया था, जितने भी न्यूट्रल कंपाउंड्स होंगे अगर उसके अंदर एक ही एलिमेंट है तो वो क्या होता है? 0 होता है. ठीक है? अगर यहाँ पे सोडियम प्लस समथिंग होता है तो सोडियम का भी चार्ज क्या होता है? 0. ठीक है? यहाँ पे मैग्नीशियम प्लस समथिंग है तो ये भी क्या है? जितने भी न्यूट्रल सब्सटेंस होंगे सबका चार्ज 0 होता है ना.
और सर अगर लेफ्ट साइड में MgO रहता तब वो 0 नहीं होता चार्ज?
नहीं, MgO इज नॉट, ये Mg और O दोनों पे मतलब इंडिविजुअली दोनों पे अलग अलग चार्ज है. Mg पे चार्ज है +2, O पे चार्ज है -2, लेकिन ओवरऑल MgO पे चार्ज क्या है? 0. ठीक है? Yeah, this is clear to you?
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
हाँ, so whenever we see oxidation or reduction, we don't look at the compound on the whole. हम लोग एक एक एलिमेंट को एनालाइज करते हैं. ठीक है? Clear here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is why this is a direct combination reaction also, and this is redox also. And you can see which is the substance that is getting reduced here. स्वप्नविद बताइए. इस रिएक्शन में मैग्नीशियम ऑक्सीडाइज हो रहा है, रिड्यूस कौन हो रहा है?
So oxygen.
ऑक्सीजन.
Or oxygen. Sir,
ऑक्सीजन पे
oxygen is the oxidizing agent and it reduces itself.
Yes,
हाँ.
sir.
ऑक्सीजन पे यहाँ पे चार्ज कितना है? 0, और यहाँ पे कितना है? -2. ठीक है, तो 0 to -2 दैट इज रिडक्शन ऑफ चार्ज, सो इट इज अ रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. ठीक है.
Sir,
हाँ बोलो.
so that means every chemical reaction is a redox reaction.
No, not every chemical reaction will be redox reaction. Neutralization reaction redox नहीं होगा क्योंकि वहाँ पे
sir.
चार्जेस चेंज नहीं होते हैं. ठीक है. जितने
Yes,
भी
sir.
प्रेसिपिटेशन रिएक्शंस है, जैसे एग्जांपल नंबर 4, ये क्या है? यहाँ पे भी Ag प्लस है, यहाँ पे भी Ag प्लस है, यहाँ पे भी Cl माइनस है, यहाँ पे भी Cl माइनस है, तो दिस इज नॉट redox reaction. Is it clear to everyone?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
बोलिए.
Sir, so in this reaction, Mg is undergoing oxidation and oxygen is undergoing reduction, right?
ठीक है. So there are some reaction which are non.
Is it correct?
हाँ, yes, it is correct.
Thank you, sir.
So there are some reactions that are non-redox reactions. First of them is neutralization reaction. ठीक है. जितने भी न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन होंगे वो क्या होंगे? नॉन रिडॉक्स होंगे. सेकेंड इज योर प्रेसिपिटेशन रिएक्शन. जिस भी रिएक्शन में कुछ पीपीटी बन रहा होगा, जनरली दीज आर नॉन रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी ऑफ रिएक्शन इज योर सॉल्ट हाइड्रोलिसिस. नहीं, हाइड्रोलिसिस कभी कभी रिडॉक्स भी हो सकता है, बट दीज टू रिएक्शंस आर ऑलवेज नॉन रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ना तो ऑक्सीडेशन होता है, ना रिडक्शन होता है, ना इलेक्ट्रॉन का कुछ ट्रांसफर इसमें नहीं होता. ठीक है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉर पवन, थर्ड नंबर.
Sir, third one is Sir?
हाँ बोलिए.
Sir, it's a redox one.
रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. ठीक है. और किसी कैटेगरी में आएगा ये?
नहीं sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Then coming to the fourth one, AgNO3 plus HCl, this one. This who will tell? यशवंत आप बताइए.
Sir,
Double displacement reaction. ठीक है. Double displacement reaction. Okay. Fifth one. ये कौन बताएगा? ये तो easy है, decomposition reaction. ठीक है. अच्छा. Okay. Adrita. Hello, Adrita. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Is this redox or not? बोलो अद्रिता.
Can you write the equation in the right side?
Yes, sir. Can you write the equation?
NO3 on heating, it gets reduced to NO2 plus H2O plus 4. Okay. Okay, Adrita, you tell me. Acha, Adrita, at least you tell me what is the charge on this nitrogen.
Sir, wait a minute. Plus one. Plus
Plus
one.
1. How you are getting plus 1?
Because
Sir,
Can I say?
Oh, let Adrita answer.
so the oxygen atom carries a charge of -1, and therefore by that
Oxygen always carries -1.
Minus 2.
So -2.
-2.
Sir, the charge is +5.
Yes, sir, it's +5.
Charge is +5. Okay.
Okay. Then Adrita, you tell me what is the charge on this nitrogen? No one else should answer.
So
Can I tell?
Can I tell?
Rita, you should revise notes. Why you are not revising notes? These examples are taught in the class. Very similar examples I have taught in the class. Oxygen will always have -2. So -2 into 2, that is -4. And this we don't know. We can take it as x. Overall, it will be 0. So x equal to +4.
It's equal to +4.
4.
+4, yes.
You should remember these things, Adrita. This is not done. So nitrogen is getting reduced here. Yes. Okay. So Swapnadeep, you tell me what is the thing that is getting oxidized?
Sir, telling me.
बताइए.
Can I tell?
No, let him answer. No, Swapnadeep.
So what's the question? Can you repeat once?
What is in this example? We see nitrogen is getting reduced, right? So what is the thing that is getting oxidized? Swapnadeep should answer.
Sir, hydrogen.
Hydrogen. How you are telling hydrogen? What is the charge on hydrogen on this one, Swapnadeep?
Sir, +1.
+1. What is the charge on hydrogen here?
+2.
+2. How +2?
No, +1.
+1.
Charge is
Sir, oxygen is reduced.
Oxygen is getting reduced.
Oxidized, sorry.
Yes.
I just thought H into 2. That's why I thought it is +2. Made the mistake.
Sir, because here the oxygen's charge is -6 and there in O2 it is 0. So it is oxidation.
So all of you should be careful while solving this. Adrita, this was not expected from you. आपको charge calculate करना नहीं आ रहा है. So clearly you have not revised the notes. ठीक है, from next class you be careful. सब लोग.
Okay, sir.
These simple things you should not commit mistakes. ठीक है, तो just take a screenshot. सबका आंसर मैच कर लिया सबने? I'm clearing this.
The new book में ना कुछ questions नहीं है इधर.
Yes, sir. Some questions are different.
Different,
I
sir.
have followed
Yes,
my
sir.
book.
Some questions
I
are
also followed
not there.
the new book.
So, लेकिन हमने तो ये क्वेश्चन बोला था ना सॉल्व करने के लिए.
Sir, I am telling 1986, 1987 and 1989 are there.
Yes.
In the new book.
New book.
86, 80.
7, 89,
87.
and 89.
1989 is there.
Yeah.
Or whatever, but I had told to solve from this book, na? Okay, I'm clearing this. Okay. But still, it is not that ये question आपसे exam में नहीं पूछा जा सकता, ठीक है? Because the theory is there, so you should be able to answer these questions. It does not matter if it is from old book or new book. Redox तो नए book में भी पढ़ना है ना आपको?
Redox is not there in the book.
No, sir. Redox is not there.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? Redox नहीं है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, redox and
No,
physical
sir.
change is not
Not
there.
there.
Yes, sir. Redox and physical changes are not there.
Redox नहीं.
Sir, I'm not able to see your screen.
Able to see my screen.
We can see. Maybe your problem of network.
Okay. चलो ठीक है. Then this why magnetizing a piece of steel is a physical change?
Can I say?
Can I say?
Can I say?
Can I say?
Okay. पवन आप बताइए.
Sir, if we need to magnetize a piece of steel, we apply electricity to that piece of steel, but when we apply electricity, there is no change in its chemical composition or no chemical reaction takes place. So thus, no new substance is formed. Thus, it's a physical change.
ठीक है. Okay. Next question
Sir,
state.
we can add a point that it is a reversible event. Means we can also demagnetize that piece of steel.
The
Very good.
magnetism stays until electric current is passed through the
Yes.
soft iron.
Okay. Next question is for Yashwant. Yashwant, आप बताइए 1993 वाला ये question.
So can you again repeat the answer of the previous question?
This one, magnetizing a piece of steel.
Yes, sir.
So Pawan answered it correctly. कि magnetize करने पे क्या होता है? First of all, it can be reverse. ठीक है? अब जैसे ही आप magnetic field को ऑफ करो, मतलब electric field को ऑफ करो या फिर magnetic field को ऑफ करो, जिसके थ्रू भी आपने magnetize किया है इसको, तो again you get back the non-magnetized steel. So it is a reversible thing. So that is why it is a physical change, not a chemical one. Another thing, there is no chemical reaction that is taking place. आपका स्टील में ऐसा नहीं है कि स्टील का कुछ कंपोनेंट किसी और कंपोनेंट में कन्वर्ट हो गया, कुछ ऑक्सीडाइज हुआ, कुछ रिड्यूस हुआ या फिर डिस्प्लेस हुआ. तो नो सच थिंग इज टेकिंग प्लेस हियर. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज अ फिजिकल चेंज. ठीक है. ओके, किससे पूछा था हमने? हाँ, यशवंत, यू आंसर दिस वन. ऑरेंज कलर से जो मार्क किया हमने.
Sir, oxidation.
ऑक्सीडेशन. ठीक है, pretty easy question. Okay.
Sir, both are oxidation.
Yes, both are oxidation.
Both are oxidation. ठीक है.
both are oxidation.
तो आप लोगों ने ये बुक से सॉल्व नहीं किया है, नए बुक से सॉल्व किया है?
Yes, sir.
But sir, I have checked.
Yes, sir.
But I have
Yes,
checked
sir.
that,
But there are some questions which are similar.
No, all the additional questions are same.
तो आप
I
लोग एक
just
काम
have
करो.
No,
फर्स्ट
not all the additional questions are not same.
There are 18 questions in the new book.
Yes, there are 18, but there are more, but all the 18 are same.
there are 18 questions in the new book.
In the
Yes,
yes,
sir.
there are total 18, but all the
No, sir, not all the additional questions are same.
all the 13 is same. From here, all
Oh.
the 13 is same.
चलो ठीक है, इसको ओके ठीक है, आपने घर पे किया हो या नहीं किया हो, लेकिन थ्योरी तो हमने पूरी पढ़ाई है ना, तो यू शुड बी एबल टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन. या दैट इज माय पॉइंट. ओके, ये क्वेश्चन कौन आंसर करेगा? ओके, अनुश्रुता ने अभी तक आंसर नहीं किया. डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन फिजिकल एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. अनुश्रुता, आप बताइए.
Yes, sir.
क्या हो गया?
So I'm telling, I need a second. So I forgot.
Forgot.
So what is the question?
What is the difference between chemical properties and physical properties? Anushruta, how can you forget this? See, these answers should be on your tips. ठीक है, एक भी और कुछ चीज अगर क्लास में पढ़ाई हो गया तो that should be on your tips. सब चीज आपको याद होना चाहिए. ठीक है, you don't have to again prepare for exam. अभी कल टेस्ट है तो फिर से एक बार वो चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे. No, once एक बार अच्छे से कर लो. Thing done nicely once is done for all. एक बार कोई चीज अपने अच्छे से कर लिया तो दैट इज वंस फॉर ऑल. एक बार अगर अच्छे से हो गया तो हमेशा के लिए हो गया. ठीक है, तो बार बार ऐसे छोटा छोटा रिवीजन करने का पॉइंट नहीं है. फिजिकल और केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है? फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज हमारे ऐसे प्रॉपर्टीज है जो रिवर्सिबल होते हैं. केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऐसी है जिसको आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, तो ये सब सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, आप लोग क्यों नहीं आंसर कर पा रहे?
So that is physical and chemical changes.
हाँ. So what is the difference between physical properties and chemical properties?
Sir, can I tell?
हाँ, बोलो.
Sir, in the physical properties, sir, the physical properties of a reaction of a physical change are usually reversible, but the chemical properties cannot be are irreversible.
Physical
So it
property.
is the
नहीं,
definition
that
of-
is the definition of physical change and chemical change.
Oh,
Properties
you are
क्या
asking
होता है? Properties.
physical and chemical properties. Sir, physical properties is the outward appearance of an object, and chemical properties is the chemical composition of that, related to the chemical composition of that object.
दिस इज मोर एक्यूरेट आंसर. ठीक है, तो फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज हमारा क्या होता है? फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज जैसे उसका स्टेट क्या है, ठीक है, या फिर उसका सॉल्युबिलिटी, ठीक है, समथिंग दैट इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन द फिजिक्स ऑफ द, मतलब देखने में कैसा लगता है, कलर कैसा है, सॉल्युबिलिटी कितनी है, ठीक है, गुड कंडक्टर है फिर बैड कंडक्टर, तो ये सब फिजिक्स के टॉपिक्स हैं. ठीक है, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज रिलेट मोर विद द रिएक्शन. ठीक है, वो किस तरह से रिएक्ट करेगा किसी पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट से, क्या क्या वो चेंज शो करेगा वाटर के साथ, ऑक्सीजन के साथ किस तरह से रिएक्ट करता है. ठीक है, तो केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज आर मोर विद द केमिस्ट्री. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है सबको? दिस इज द सिंपलेस्ट डेफिनेशन आप लोग देख सकते हैं. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज आर मोर रिलेटेड विद द फिजिक्स एंड chemical properties are more related with the chemistry. ठीक है, chemistry means particularly reactions, how it react with water, how it reacts with other reagents. Is this point clear to everyone? ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
तो physics means something outward, उनका appearance कैसा होता है, solubility कैसा है, smell कैसा है, तो उसका जो structure है देखने में आप senses के through उसको कैसे perceive करते हैं, तो that is physical properties. केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज मतलब रिएक्ट करके कुछ बने या फिर ये ट्रांसफॉर्म हो, सो दीज थिंग्स आर योर केमिकल.
Sir, can I add a point?
हाँ, टेल.
We can say that physical properties of a substance can be changed by physical methods like boiling, filtration, or heating, and the chemical properties of a substance can only be changed if we perform chemical processes like electrolysis are the same.
आपने क्या बोला? फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज हम लोग कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं?
Physical processes like boiling or filtration or heating.
बॉइलिंग वगैरह से हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? जैसे सॉल्युबिलिटी है, ठीक है, तो सॉल्युबिलिटी क्या होती है? टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने से हम लोग सॉल्युबिलिटी को चेंज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
या फिर उसका जो फिजिकल स्टेट है, तो फिजिकल स्टेट जैसे रूम टेम्परेचर कोई चीज सॉलिड है, ठीक है, उसको हीट करके हम उसको लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं.
Like we can change a hydrated substance to anhydrous substance
Anhydrous form
by heating.
So that no, anhydrated to anhydrous, that is a chemical change.
No, sir. Hydrated to anhydrated.
हाँ, तो you are changing the chemical properties, no?
Yes, sir. Because if we heat CuSO4, that is hydrated CuSO4, then it will become anhydrous, which lacks 5 H2O molecules.
So which lacks the water of crystallization.
It lacks the water of crystallization. This is
So there is a change in the chemical composition.
हाँ, chemical composition में क्या हुआ? यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा change हो गया. ठीक है.
Sir, and also its physical properties also change, sir. So it is blue in color when water is present, and
White.
it becomes white powder. Earlier it was blue crystals, and it changes into white powder.
Crystalline to amorphous.
Crystalline.
Yes, sir. We can say that the color of the compound changes, which is the physical property of that compound.
Color is a physical property. Okay. Then coming to the next question, 3 point of difference between physical change and chemical change with respect to the composition, nature, and energy changes. Okay, Pawan, you can tell us.
Sir, the full answer. Sir, actually, in a physical change, there is no change in the composition of the substance, but in a chemical change, there is a change in the composition of the substance.
Then?
Sir, nature of change, sir. Sir, what do you mean by nature? Means
Reversible and irreversible.
Oh, okay, sir. So physical reactions are generally reversible, and chemical reactions are generally irreversible. Energy changes during the energy changes are generally very low in the physical changes as compared to the chemical changes, and energy changes in a chemical reaction is usually high as compared to the physical changes.
ठीक है, these 3 points
Sir,
are
and
clear
I would
to
just
everyone? हाँ बोलो.
Sir, but the mass of the substance, when a chemical composition changes and a new substance is formed, the mass of the new substance can be greater or lesser than the previous substance.
No, the mass will always be the same.
No, sir, if we balance it, but if suppose, for example, previously it was Ag, and after the reaction it became AgNO3. So the mass of the compound is more than that of Ag and NO3 individually.
नहीं, ये किसने बोला आपको?
How can Ag be directly changed into AgNO3?
यहाँ पे इसके
So
साथ
Ag plus NO3.
हाँ, तो उसका मास कैन नॉट बी क्रिएटेड इन द रिएक्शन ना. जितना रिएक्टेंट का मास है उतना प्रोडक्ट में आपको दिखेगा.
No, sir, if we compare an element and a compound, so
No, how can you compare an element and a compound? That is pointless. You have to compare all the reactants and all the product. Yeah.
Sir, because here the mass of the substance is given for difference, so there can be no difference in the mass.
Mass of the substance.
So for that also marks can be deducted.
So mass of the substance will remain same whether it is a physical process or chemical
Yes,
process.
sir. It mass can neither be created nor be destroyed during the chemical
change.
Whether you are melting sodium, let us say you have Ag solid and you melt it into Ag liquid. Okay. In this, the mass of the reactant and mass of product, both of them will be same. Okay. Because it is a physical change. Chemical change, you have to calculate on overall. Okay. Ag plus HNO3, let us say. Sorry, Ag plus HNO3, this reaction will not. Any reaction you can think of, for example, sodium reacts with water, form Na2O. Okay. So now mass of all these reactants and mass of all these products, both will be same. Okay. So mass cannot be created. This is not a point of difference between physical change and chemical change because mass is always conserved. Okay. Okay, this is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Sir, but they have asked in the question.
They have some, I don't know. I
Sir,
think they want to ask about similarity only. Because just because it is there in the question, the theory is not going to change now.
Yes, sir.
Mass is going to remain constant.
The theories are proved.
Question number 3. Who should answer this? Okay, Narit, आप बताइए.
So can I?
The first one is a chemical change.
So you just tell which of first one is a chemical change. Second one?
Yes, the second one is physical change.
Physical change. Okay. Third one?
Yes, third one. The third one is physical change.
Fourth one?
Third one can be both.
Sir, melting of a wax can be both physical and chemical.
It's melting of wax, not burning of a candle.
Wax.
Yes,
it is melting of wax. It is not burning.
Physical.
Oh, yes.
So second one is chemical change.
No, curdling of milk is
No, physical change.
No, it is chemical change because we can't change the curd from milk.
Yes, sir. Curdling of milk is a chemical change.
So curdling of milk means not curd. It's it changes the milk to a semi-solid, but it is chemical change.
You are changing the milk
Yes,
to
sir.
curd,
Curdling of
but
milk is different from the formation of curd, but it is a chemical change.
It's not curd.
Curdling of milk means what? You are converting milk into curd, right?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So?
Sir, we are turning the milk into a semi-solid substance. It's not actually curd.
You are converting the milk into a semi-solid substance. How?
Sir, when we boil the milk to a very high temperature and
your voice is not
sir,
coming
but it's
clear.
not.
Hello.
Sir, the curdling,
Sir, curdling of
second
milk
of
is
milk is a
usually
chemical
done to
change.
form paneer.
Change.
After adding that lime one,
Yes, C3.
हाँ,
Yes,
so
sir. Curdling of
you are changing the form, no? From milk it is getting curd, so it is not a
So if
physical
we
change.
start curding from the milk, we can't change again it into milk.
हाँ,
sir,
yes. So it is a
it is
chemical change.
not the formation of curd. It is done
It is
during.
going on. So how can you change it in the milk again?
It's a chemical reaction, but I'm saying that curdling of milk is not the formation of curd. Sir, it is done while we make paneer, sir. After we just add a few drops of lemon into that milk to
हाँ,
make paneer.
so it is a chemical change, ना? Why
Yes,
why
sir.
you
It's
are
a
telling it
chemical
is
change.
physical?
Yes, sir, it is a chemical change.
ठीक है. Okay, तो किससे कौन आंसर कर रहा था? I think कौन आंसर
Sir,
कर रहा था?
Swapnabit.
हाँ, नहीं स्वप्नवित नहीं.
Nairit.
हाँ, नैरित. आप बताइए, कार्बन साइकिल फिजिकल हो गया कि केमिकल?
यहाँ पे केमिकल.
केमिकल, ठीक है. सेपरेटिंग ऑफ टू लिक्विड्स बाय डिस्टिलेशन.
So why chemical? Can you explain it?
कार्बन साइकिल में
chemical.
होता है ना, फॉर्म चेंज होता है आपका कार्बन का. कार्बन साइकिल आप लोगों ने पढ़ा है?
पढ़ेंगे.
Yes, sir, we have.
Yes, sir.
क्या होता है कार्बन साइकिल में? आप लोगों ने इस तरह से डायग्राम बनाया होगा. पेड़ पौधे होते हैं, ठीक है. पेड़ पौधे क्या करते हैं? ऑक्सीजन रिलीज करते हैं, ठीक है. पेड़ पौधे बाहर से क्या करते हैं? CO2 लेते हैं थ्रू रिस्पिरेशन, ठीक है. और फिर वो डीके होता
So
है
can you
हमारा.
choose a dark color pen? It is too light.
Okay, I'll write on this side. Okay. कार्बन साइकिल में कार्बन साइकिल हमारे नेचर में कैसे होता है? तो नेचर में हमारे पास क्या है? प्लांट्स हैं, ठीक है. और नेचर में क्या है? हमारे पास एनिमल्स हैं, ठीक है.
प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स.
हाँ, प्लांट्स क्या करते हैं? CO2 लेते हैं थ्रू फोटोसिंथेसिस, ठीक है. और प्लांट्स रिलीज करते हैं ऑक्सीजन थ्रू फोटोसिंथेसिस. फिर प्लांट्स रिलीज करते हैं CO2 थ्रू रेस्पिरेशन. एनिमल्स रिलीज करते हैं CO2 थ्रू रेस्पिरेशन. एनिमल्स कंज्यूम करते हैं ऑक्सीजन थ्रू रेस्पिरेशन, ठीक है. इसके अलावा हम लोगों ने बहुत सारी फैक्ट्री बनाई है.
Sir, this is a CO2 cycle, carbon cycle.
हाँ, दिस इज कार्बन साइकिल ओनली.
So CO2.
क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Sir, actually, carbon cycle में the dead remains change into
हाँ,
coal.
डेड रिमेन्स भी आएगा. अभी हम लोग अभी CO2 और ऑक्सीजन देख रहे हैं ना. डेड मटेरियल भी आएगा हमारे पास, ठीक है. ओके, तो फिर हमारे पास एनिमल्स और क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? देखो, फैक्ट्री से फिर CO2 निकल सकता है, ठीक है. और CO2 कहाँ से निकल सकता है? फिर प्लांट्स हमारे डीके कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. एनिमल्स भी हमारे क्या कर सकते हैं? डीके कर सकते हैं.
Burning of plastics.
तो वो फैक्ट्री में ही आ गया. मतलब एक तरह से ह्यूमन जितने भी है, ह्यूमन सोर्सेज ऑफ CO2, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग को क्या मिलेगा? डेड ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड अदर वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट. उससे भी हम लोग को क्या मिलता है? उससे भी एटमॉस्फेयर में डेड ऑर्गेनिजम्स और ये सब जो है, ये जो डीके करेंगे, दे कैन एक्ट एज अ फ्यूल फॉर these factories, okay, and that can also lead to formation of CO2. तो पॉइंट इज कि कार्बन साइकिल में क्या हो रहा है? बहुत सारे केमिकल रिएक्शन हो रहे हैं, ठीक है. CO2 हमारा ऑक्सीजन में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है. फिर प्लांट्स फोटोसिंथेसिस कर रहे हैं, दैट इज आल्सो केमिकल रिएक्शन. रेस्पिरेशन इज आल्सो केमिकल रिएक्शन, ठीक है. ये जो प्लांट्स का डीके हो रहा है, दैट इज आल्सो केमिकल रिएक्शन. तो ये फिजिकल प्रोसेस नहीं है, दिस इज अ केमिकल प्रोसेस, ठीक है. हेलो, दिस इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके, हाँ, फिर आगे बताइए नैरित. सेपरेशन बता रहे थे ना, ये फिजिकल प्रोसेस है या केमिकल? फिजिकल है ना?
Sir, it's a physical process because, sir, it is separating a mixture.
हाँ,
Can
distillation.
again add it and make the same mixture.
Okay, then melting of butter.
So can I?
Physical.
Physical.
Formation of rain.
Sir, it is physical if we overlook acid rain.
What you are telling, Pawan?
Sir, it will be physical change, but sir, in the case of acid rain, it is a chemical change.
Yes,
Acid rain is different. Here they are asking formation of rain.
It's not mentioned over here.
It's a physical change.
It is a physical change. Okay. Then boiling of liquid air.
The answer is physical change.
Sir, physical.
Okay. Okay, so all of you have not solved the sheet completely. Matlab you have solved a new one, right?
Yes,
sir.
So if there are some questions in the sheet which are not there in the new book, you please solve that. Okay. Or in the next class we will discuss from here on. Okay.
Yes, sir, when you are ending the class now.
Anyone is having any doubts in whatever is taught today?
Sir, I have a doubt in the 15th question according to our book.
I also have a doubt.
Acha, 1 second. So everyone has noted down what is there on the screen. I'm clearing this. Okay.
So why boiling of liquid air is a physical change?
Because you are changing the state now from from liquid air, you are converted to gaseous air. Okay.
So can gaseous air can be changed again into liquid air?
That can be liquefied. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Whenever some physical changes are involved, solid to liquid or liquid to gas or gas to liquid or gas to solid or solid to gas, anything. So that is a physical change. Okay, I'm clearing whatever is there on the screen. Okay, you tell me what are the doubts. Question batao.
Sir, according to our book, it's 15.
Acha, what is the question you tell me?
Sir, it's given that explain with the help of balanced equation how precipitation reaction are used for identifying the positive radicals in 3 different salts, each having a different cation.
Okay. So you have some salts.
Can I say, sir?
One second. So what is the question? You have different cations. Okay. Let us say this is cation 1, this is cation 2, and this is cation 3. Okay. So how precipitation reaction? So you can choose an anion. Okay. You can choose an anion which forms a precipitate with one of these, and it forms some soluble compound with other two. Okay. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Let us say you have a mixture of Na plus 2, sorry, Na plus 2 is nothing, Na plus 1, and you have Ag plus, and you have, let us say, K plus. Okay. Now in order to separate, you can use sulfate anion. So it will form sodium sulfate, which is soluble in water. Then this will form potassium sulfate, which is also soluble in water. And you will have Ag2SO4 that is insoluble in water. Okay. So this gets precipitated out. So you can separate Ag from this mixture. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other question?
No,
I
sir.
have a doubt.
Tell.
Sir, please go to the unit test paper.
What?
Sir, what is the difference between thermal decomposition and thermal dissociation?
Thermal decomposition and dissociation both are
Sir,
same.
can I say?
There is some difference.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference?
Sir, in the thermal decomposition, all the reactions of a thermal decomposition are not reversible, but all the reactions of thermal dissociation are reversible.
Is it? Where you read
Yes,
this?
Sir, it was given in the book itself. Yes, sir, that in the book, all the reactions of the thermal dissociation were irreversible. So I just wrote this. Sir, and it is also given in the book, sir.
Decomposition reactions are usually irreversible. Okay, this is irreversible, and dissociation reactions are usually reversible. Okay.
Sir, is this the difference?
This is the difference.
Okay, sir.
So I'll give one example. For example, let us say H2O. Okay, you do the electrolysis and then you break it into H2 plus oxygen. Okay, so this is decomposition reaction. Okay, and dissociation is you have NaCl and it breaks into ions of Na plus and Cl minus. Okay.
So this reaction takes place in its
The NH3 decomposition of NH3.
Huh?
Dissociation of NH3.
Dissociation of NH3, yes, that is irreversible reaction. NH3 is in equilibrium with N2 plus H2. Okay, so this by changing the reaction conditions, you can shift the equilibrium in this direction or that direction, so you can reverse this. Okay.
So the first reaction takes place in NaCl in its aqueous state.
No, NaCl is in solid state. You put it in water, then you will get Na plus and Cl minus aqueous.
Yes, sir. The products are in aqueous state.
Aqueous state. ठीक है? This difference is clear to you? किसने पूछा था ये?
Sir, Swapna did.
Okay. Anyone else is having any doubt?
Sir, can I ask something? So finding out the cations using the precipitation method, is it a very, very easy sort of activity?
Easy. Yes, it is. मतलब easy मतलब आपका मतलब क्या है question से?
Means like it's, for me, I'm thinking that it's sort of hit and trial method. We need to find out the anion and then we need to find out which is soluble and insoluble. So it must be time consuming, right?
No, you have to. आपके लिए टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, लेकिन जो लैब में एक्सपर्ट है उनको पता होता है कौन से सॉल्ट्स क्या है, सॉल्युबल है, कौन से इनसॉल्युबल. ठीक है. In fact, in class 12, there is an entire chapter called as salt analysis. Okay? So that is the biggest chapter in this entire 11-12 syllabus. ठीक है. और पूरे चैप्टर में हम लोग का काम यही होता है कि ये आपके पास कुछ रिएजेंट है, इसमें कुछ डाला और फिर ये बना, ये बना, ये बना, ये बना, तो बताओ इसमें कटायन क्या था, इसमें अनायन क्या था. ठीक है. तो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज अ वेरी ह्यूज साइंस, लेकिन आपके लेवल पे जो बेसिक सॉल्युबिलिटी रूल्स है उससे आप प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है.
So how will we find which one is soluble and which one is not?
हाँ, तो देयर आर सॉल्युबिलिटी रूल्स, वो क्लास 10th में आप लोग के बुक में आएगा. ठीक है. तो उसके बेसिस पे आप बता सकते हैं कौन सा सॉल्युबल है, कौन सा. जस्ट टुडे ओनली आई वाज टीचिंग दिस टू क्लास 10. ठीक है. तो 10th क्लास में आप लोग को पढ़ना है.
Okay, sir.
ओके, चलो ठीक है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.